What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today I got a bunch of different type of candy, pulled out my slow motion camera, and we're going to hit them with the pellets. And let's see what it looks like in slow motion. I promise you it's worth watching it, it's mesmerizing. Anyways, let's check this out. Okay, this time I got here Snickers, lay it right here, see what happens. Once again, just a pellet gun. Nice, that's a good hit. Except I might miss the trigger button. Do this again. I kinda missed it. Oh yeah, that's a good one for sure. Look at that. We don't waste food over here. This time I got almond joy. Those things are delicious. I love the way they taste. I think I'm only gonna put one. Don't try to hit right in the nut. Hit. Look at that clear hole. It didn't break off that much. Check this out. Almond joy is pretty good too. I like it. We got here Hershey's. I'm gonna do a side shot right in the middle. See what happens. Whoa, that was awesome. Look how it scraped off a chunk. Okay, here I got lollipop. Let's see what happens. Whoa! It's exploded. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below, what do you think about this video? What should I have done differently maybe, because I'm still learning, and I love all your comments, so keep them going. Also, don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.